Hi there, welcome to our food baby. So, why did we create this? Well, when we were ideating, we were thinking of ideas and we thought of our moms and the women around the world who are expecting a child but can struggle with planning for food and also their own diet. Sometimes it's time, and sometimes it's not knowing where to go for the correct information. And so, at times, a really difficult part of pre-parenthood is deciding what to eat. And diet is really important during pregnancy because it affects both the baby and a mother's body during and after pregnancy. According to the Journal of Physiology and a little study that we found, mothers who eat an unhealthy diet during pregnancy may be putting their children at risk of developing long-term irreversible health issues, including obesity, raised levels of cholesterol, and blood sugar. And so we wanted to find a tool that could really help. Take Sam, for example, who is expecting for the first time and she's 30 years old, just trying to eat healthily, but she doesn't really have anywhere to go other than Google and searching up articles, trying to cross-reference them and finding a bunch of them and collecting different articles, trying to cross-check just to make sure that, everything's going fine. And then her other resource is, of course, her family, who has had experience with just giving birth to her, and so she consults her mother and those places. So we wanted to give Sam a tool where she could access these things really easily and also find trusted resources and a quick answer for any ingredient that she finds.
So when you first enter our app, you're greeted with some simple instructions on how to use it. Our app is designed to work on both desktop and mobile since it is a portable web app. But for this demo, I will be demoing the mobile version. First, a user can go to our camera/upload function. This is where you can take a photo of some foods for our app to identify. Now, when you run this on your phone, it should pop up a selection for you to either take a picture or upload something directly from your camera roll. Since I am doing this demo on desktop, I will just select this photo that I have taken of an apple. Now, if we wait a bit and click submit, we will be taken to the results page, which shows us how the consumption of apples impact pregnant women. In this case, apple is a recommended food, as indicated by the green bar and the short description below. We can also directly search for a food using the search bar. In fact, we can search multiple foods, for example, coffee, orange, and alcohol. As you can see, oranges are recommended for pregnant women, while coffee depends on a certain level of consumption, and alcohol should be something that pregnant women should avoid. This also works with our upload function because it can identify multiple objects since we are using Google Cloud's Machine Learning Vision API. For more information about our tech stack, in the front end, we used React, Bootstrap, and Style components to create our web app. In the back end, our web app talks to Google Cloud's Vision API, which uses machine learning algorithms to identify different food items in your picture. We will then use the identified items to query our Firebase, which contains all the information about whether or not this food will be good for your pregnancy. So overall, whether or not you're a to-be mom or the significant other of one, use Food Baby to make data-conscious decisions about your pregnancy. Thank you for watching.